All right, shares of global commerce company Shopify under pressure this morning. A slower growth forecast overshadowing an earnings beat. We need to know more about this. And joining us now, first on CNBC, Shopify President Harley Finkelstein. Harley, always great to have you back on the show.
Great to be here, Jim. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so Harley, before we get into how great the quarter was, and it was great, all the new advertisers you have, the merchandise value going up a lot. I want to deal with this notion that you somehow feel that the business is slowing, which is what the overwhelming evidence of what the stock market's saying. When I read through your conference call and I read through your notes, I don't detect that same level of pessimism that Wall Street seems to have decided in a shroud over your stock today.
I totally agree with you. Q1 demonstrated Shopify's incredible growth. It demonstrated consistent results, and I think also real AI leadership. GMV was $101 billion, Jim. That's up 35%. That is the second consecutive quarter of GMV over $100 billion. Remember, GMV is the merchant selling on our platform, and we've now seen cumulative GMV of about $1.7 trillion on Shopify. Let's talk about the growth side and specifically to your question. On the revenue side, Q1 saw $3.2 billion. That's up 34% year on year. And when you actually add in free cash flow, which was almost $476 million, we saw a 15% free cash flow margin. So, Jim, that's 4 straight quarters of 30% or more revenue and GMV growth, and then mid to high teens free cash flow margins. This is Shopify at its best. And then when you add to it all the merchants coming on, we're now 14% of U.S. e-commerce, and we're adding some of the largest companies on the planet to Shopify.
You know, I think one of the reasons why I think people love to deal with your company is because of something that's now developed into Sidekick, which is that you have the data. You have 20 years with the data, and that's data that can help LVMH. It's data that can help Orvis, but it's also data that can help someone who wants to live through their dream and be able to have a little bit of money and say, I'll go with Shopify and I can become something big and major. Sidekick's available to everyone, isn't it?
So let me say this. I think this is something that people are missing here. In this new AI era, there is no group we think that benefits more than entrepreneurs. It is making entrepreneurship dramatically more accessible. And in fact, it's accelerating success, which is good for entrepreneurs and very good for Shopify. Let's talk about AI, because it came up a lot on the call. I think it should be very clear right now that Shopify is at the epicenter of the AI era. If you look at AI shopping, we built the infrastructure that now powers AI-driven shopping and connects demand to our merchants. We are the only platform powering selling inside of ChatGPT, Copilot, and Google. And when you look at orders from AI searches to Shopify, they're up 13x year on year. So we've built the full catalog that feeds these AI agents and shopping experiences. Then when you look at the AI-powered merchant tools, you mentioned Sidekick. Sidekick is our intelligent assistant, which is becoming the new way merchants run their businesses. And it's trained, to your point, on 20 years of insight about commerce. No one else has that. And merchants are loving it. Usage is up 4x year over year. So we think that merchants on Shopify are simply better positioned by far than those that are not.